In this episode, Walter White's burgeoning drug trade finally crosses international borders, and the Mexican cartel starts to take notice. Meanwhile, as Jesse walks around emotionally, Skylar becomes suspicious, and Hank comes closer than ever to uncovering the truth. It's Season 2, Episode 7, where the game gets bigger and far more dangerous. With a dynamic performance of Mexican music. The lyrics tell the story of a mysterious new meth kingpin known as Heisenberg, who is dominating the drug trade in Albuquerque. But it's not a compliment, it's a warning. Powerful cartel members are worried that someone new is intruding on their territory. Walter Trope's blue map is spreading rapidly, and this kind of success brings deadly attention. Without realizing it, Walt has stepped onto a much larger battlefield. Back in Albuquerque, Walter is proud of how far his products have come. His blue meth is everywhere. He sees it as a testament to his genius. But his lawyer, Saul Goodman, introduces him to a new opportunity, further widening the divide by a powerful and quiet businessman named Gustavo Fringe. Walt is interesting but also cautious. He doesn't trust easily, and he doesn't like to feel small. This meeting could change everything. Meanwhile, Jesse is unpacking the Pink Man. He is still emotionally affected by the death of his friend Combo. Guilt and grief weigh heavily on him. He begins to use drugs more recklessly and isolates himself. For Jesse, business is no longer just business. It's personal, and he's losing control. At home, Skylar becomes increasingly suspicious of Walter's bizarre behavior. He disappears often. He lies badly. He works away. Skylar starts investigating on her own, even visiting Jesse, pretending to be concerned about marijuana use. But what she discovers is unexpected. Jesse seems confused and panicked. Skylar leaves with more questions than answers. Walter's double life is starting to unravel. EA agent Hank Schrader is obsessed with finding the mysterious Heisenberg. Agy. He knows that blue meth is different. Pure. More clever. He begins to connect the dots, tracking distribution patterns and interviewing informants. Hank is getting closer. The irony is that he jokes about the criminal mastermind, never realizing he's having a family meal with him. Tension is building. Saul arranges a secret meeting between Walter and the mysterious distributor, Gustavo Fring. But Gus is never shown in a tangible way. Instead, Walter realized that Gus had been watching him the whole time, carefully analyzing whether Walt was stable enough and professional. And there's a problem there. Gus sees something Walt refuses to acknowledge. Jesse is a liability, and Walt's ego could ruin everything. Subscribe my YouTube channel to watch the next episode as much today, and take good care of yourself. Thank you.
The Empire is rising. Secrets, betrayal, transformation.